Today we are at Bordeaux Gardens Park. This is the first park we've been to that has commemorated the major flood that occurred in 2010. So this is the park entrance. I mean, it's probably the roughest shelter we've seen. You can't even make out the signage and map. But apparently the walking path loop they have here is about a little over 1,300 feet. So 4 laps around it will make a mile. I mean, it's nice in terms of space. The people that would know about this park are those who live near it for the most part. So I definitely circle back, but it's great to bring a small child out to, or even host little birthday parties or whatever, because they do have a shelter here. So that loop starts at the entrance, and it breaks off into 2 pathways, one leading past the playground and the other going back around the basketball court and tennis court, and then all the way back around here. So it looks like they have either kickball or baseball field. And then we have the shelter, old school water fountain, man. Yeah, it needs some help, man. It's pretty trashy out here, so people do come out here. I think this is the first park we've been to that has the high water mark for it to be a metro park. So we see this mostly when we go to state parks, some type of elevation marker. But this is in a flood zone area. So they're marking this off because the Nashville flood that took place in 2010 really hit this area hard. So this was nice to come to a park and actually stand where the flood hit hard at. Again, this was my first time visiting this park. If you'd like to come out here just to take it all in, definitely do so. Just your classic park. That's going to conclude this week's Saturday Park Adventure. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. And be blessed in every day that God gives you. Your life is full of purpose. Until next time.